In this Barks Buddy review, I'll be giving you both the pros and cons to using this super popular dog training device so you can find out whether it will actually help correct your dog's behavior or not. Now please make sure that you watch this video from start to finish, because at the end of the video, if you still want to get Barks Buddy, I'll show you where to get it for the absolute cheapest price. Okay, let's check out the pros of this product. It's safe for your dog. The Barks Buddy device uses high pitch frequencies of sound which humans can't hear, but dogs can. These frequencies are very safe for dogs, and they don't cause them any pain. It's more of a strong jolt that makes for a highly effective interruption to a negative behavior. In other words, it gets their attention fast. Multiple uses. For many owners, the primary use of Barks Buddy is as an anti-barking training device, but it can really be used on any negative behaviors that your dog displays, such as jumping on people, biting, chewing on objects such as shoes, digging up the backyard, and just about anything you want to correct. For particularly stubborn dogs, the training device also includes a high-powered LED light that can be used in combination with the ultrasonic sound. But more often than not, the sound alone will be all you need. Simple to use. Whenever your dog is doing the behavior you want them to stop, you just need to simply point the device directly towards them and make sure they see you. Then press one button and the higher pitch frequency will be triggered, resulting in your dog instantly stopping the behavior. And right after they stop, it's important to give positive reinforcement such as a treat, a scratch behind the ear, or some enthusiastic praise. Then you just need to repeat the same cycle whenever your dog performs the same behavior. Okay, let's check out the cons of this product. Results are not immediate. The following is more of an expectation check than a negative point. The thing is that some people will think that Barks Buddy is some kind of magical device that will reverse all their dog's negative behaviors after a few uses. But this is not the case. Remember that this is called a training device for a reason. Although it works fast compared to other devices and training strategies, it will still need to be used multiple times in order to teach your dog. It's not for lazy owners. The truth is, you're going to have to put some effort into this device to get the most out of it. The key to changing behavior patterns with Barks Buddy is that you must use it as much as possible when your dog displays the behavior you want to change. The more you are able to do this during the learning phase, where you are teaching your dog to go from an undesirable behavior to one that is desirable, the quicker the results. If you only correct the behavior once in a while, it can take a lot longer for your dog to get a clear learning signal and change. So please keep this in mind. Overall, Barks Buddy is one of the most innovative and effective dog training devices on the market today. It's super small and portable, so you can train your dog anywhere. It works on just about all breeds and even cats too. When used properly, it works very fast to correct even the most stubborn of behaviors, and it's completely safe for both yourself and your dog. Now, if you want to get Barks Buddy at the cheapest possible price, then click the link below this YouTube video in the description and you'll be taken to the best place to purchase it.